Press the red button to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon to get the latest updates from Sonia Goes Natural. Presenting to you this wonderful recipe, Mumbai's favorite Tawa pulao. Let's get started with this wonderful street food of Maharashtra, Tawa pulao. Mumbai's famous Tawa pulao recipe. Here the ingredients have been lined up, and with these wonderful ingredients are we going to shell out this Tawa pulao. So let's quickly jump to the recipe. Normally on the pav bhaji, where the pav bhaji counters are there, this tawa pulao is very nicely relished because these have ingredients common to pav bhaji. So here it's always cooked in butter. This I have taken 1 tablespoon of butter, and into 1 tablespoon of butter am I putting cumin seeds. This is optional, this is totally optional. And with the sputtering of the cumin seeds am I going to put roughly coarsed ginger garlic paste. Yes, I have hand grinded it instead of using a mixer because that gives a very good flavors when it's cooked in the butter. And these are 1 medium-sized onion cut lengthwise. So your onions, what we have to do is onion has to be translucent. You don't have to properly make it brown, but it should just be translucent, and you have to cook it to this level, the level you are seeing. So now this is translucent, and into it am I going to put the other ingredients. Now this is 1 medium size green capsicum, which is another important ingredient. So this green capsicum is going into this. And with green capsicum, as it is cooked with the green capsicum, am I going to put the other ingredients. This is the tomato, which again will be cooked with the capsicum. And at this point, I'm going to put certain seasonings, and the other seasonings will follow thereby. So here I'm putting a little bit of red chili. Preferably use Kashmiri red chilies for the color, and a little bit of seasoning in form of salt. Not the complete salt. The rest will follow after I put my rice. And now let it cook for some time. After about 2-3 minutes, when the vegetables have been cooked properly, you can see the color coming so beautiful. And into this am I now going to put freshly chopped coriander. Yes, freshly chopped coriander gives the very wonderful flavor, and finely chopped green chilies have gone together. Now this is another important ingredient, which is a pav bhaji masala. 1 tablespoon of pav bhaji masala goes into this. This is the very important ingredient. You cannot skip this ingredient because this is an extension. Tawa pulao is an extension of the pav bhaji sauce. So pav bhaji masala, instead of any other type of masala, goes into the making of the tawa pulao. Now all the ingredients have gone, and now this is another lot of vegetables in form of boiled potato and peas. So these two are another important ingredients going into this. So this is a wholesome meal, as you say, with lots of butter and vegetables and rice. So this is another very good lunchbox recipe for the kids by keeping the spices on the lower side. But now since I'm cooking this for you, the spice, it has to be spiced up. And now I'm putting the rest of the salt for the rice to follow. So now the spice level have been completed in this with a little bit of water, so that the vegetables just cook more properly. Though the vegetables are now properly cooked, at this time am I going to put the rice. This is the boiled rice which I am putting. Preferably it should be a little bit of it should be about 75 to 80% cooked, because then it will just get more steamed up in the masala. So at this time I'm going to mix the entire ingredients together, as you can see, and just cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. And if you want, you can add a dollop of butter to spice up the flavors and the spices. Presenting to you this wonderful street food, completed with the serving completed with the coriander. So next time when you make it, definitely give a feedback to me. And if you've liked this, please share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.